Alright, well I've used this thing many times already, and I think I am ready to give my little review on it. It's running on high because I had the windows open in here, but it just got really hot out, so I shut the windows and kicked it on. I must say, this thing has gotten this room down to temperature with the door open in less than 5 minutes. This unit is incredible. Now, what I've heard on the group chat, not group chat, just the AC group, apparently this thing is a Gibson product, or a Gibson made Kenmore, which, now looking at it, I can kind of see it. The amount of air this thing moves, though, is incredible. I wouldn't be surprised. Oh yeah, it is. Way over here on the other side of the room. It's moving so much air. It's an 8,000 BTU, but I'll tell you what, it's even cool enough for like the hallway and the stairs and all. I'll tell you what, it's actually very quiet on low. I'm running on, I don't really want to run it on low today though, because the sun's beating down on this side. And even though it's got the fins, like the louvers that block the sun off the condenser, the sun's still hitting on the casing, and so I really would just rather run it on high. Plus I got the door open and all too, and the next room over has the windows open. Let's go. I'll show you guys the outside. Thing has a reciprocating compressor. I'm not entirely sure what kind. I don't know if it's a Tecumseh or if it's something else. I'm not sure. You guys will have to tell me. It almost kind of sounds like an AK. It doesn't have like a big rumble though, so I'm wondering if it might not even be a Tecumseh. The thing sounds awesome though. Go over here where you can hear the compressor a bit more. It's a good quality machine there. Yeah, really liking the new place though. This is an enclosed porch, but it would basically just call it the hallway. It's the closest thing we even have to a hallway. I can already feel it cooling down in here in the staircase area. In fact, might even do this. If I can. I'll just close it. Come on. Hold on, my mom just messaged. Yeah, okay. I want to see how well it does with that door shut. I mean, it'll keep it cool even with that door open. It's crazy, like, it'll even satisfy with that door and windows open. This thing's a beast. Yeah, it works great. I don't know why it's like rattling like that. It's just like, these louvers are kind of weird. Really only seems to do what's interesting is that You can do that, and I don't know why. I actually have no idea why you would want to do that. The vent does work. Hardly, but it works. And of course the plug's right underneath it, so it's kind of clean. And the guy actually has the wire, the cord, routing underneath there and going behind the trim. So it makes for a very nice, very clean install. Yeah. I must say I'm very impressed with this unit. This is like my first actual like vintage air conditioner, like very vintage air conditioner, and I'm very satisfied.